Namaste. Welcome to your prenatal asana series. We are going to practice Sankatasana, or also known as difficult pose today. Even though it sounds difficult, but it is just a beautiful balancing posture. This posture is absolutely safe to be practiced in all trimester, in all normal conditions. But if there are certain conditions like where women has excessive water retention, or she has ankle pain or knee pain, in that case balancing asanas can be avoided, as balancing can be difficult because the legs doesn't have that much strength to retain the posture. Or if you want, if there is not an excessive condition but still a discomfort while balancing during the pregnancy phase, which can be a common phenomena, you can ask the woman to use a chair or a wall while practicing this or any other balancing asana. Otherwise, this has many benefits. Just like any other balancing asana, Sankatasana can help regulate the entire nervous system, strengthen the nervous system. Also, at the same time, it increases our focus and concentration. And it strengthens our hip area, our knee, our ankle, also allows the blood circulation to happen more rapidly in the lower body, hence giving a purification and the strength to the lower body as well. The beautiful way you can always use a balancing asana or any other asana is, because it's difficult to balance during the asana, use the breath. Keep the women reminding to breathe long and deep. Remember, the purpose of prenatal yoga is to prepare her body for the D-Day, for the final day to delivery. And what are the main elements you require for a woman to deliver naturally and powerfully and with a lot of confidence in herself are 2-3 things. One, she needs to know her body. She needs to be able to trust her body. She needs to be able to trust the very natural instinct of her body to birth. So in that case, when we practice balancing asana, we are giving her an opportunity to go and dive within to really remind herself that I can trust and I can surrender. Every time, every breath she uses to surrender more into the asana, she is preparing herself for the final day when she can actually surrender fully into the moment and trust her body completely. And this is what each asana has to do for her. So reminding her to surrender to her breath, trust her body's natural instinct to balance, to allow the body to heal for itself, allow the body to create strength for itself. You can use these small words, sentences in your own manner just to remind her to and prepare her with every asana to deal with the coming and even the journey of prenatal phase, to let go the fear, to let go the anxiousness, surrender more to love within. The final day requires a lot of oxytocin. That means the more she can surrender and relax her body, the beautiful and natural birth she will have. Because that's what the body needs. Body does not need to panic at that time. Body does not need to rush in anxiousness at that time. We are avoiding the flight and fight mode. We are entering into complete homeostasis in the body in that phase of delivery. And it's a journey to prepare the mind that how to bring itself into that normal regulated nervous system mode. And any balancing asana, not just this, can help regulate the nervous system and prepare the body and the mind to concentrate on breath, concentrate on the healing of the nervous system. Surrender is the process. So you need to focus on 3 words: love, surrender, and be able to believe in yourself. Nurture the body. Allow the belief within you that my body has the ability to do this. So this should be the purpose of each asana. Now let's practice this. Simply, while standing straight, we have to take one of our legs. In my case, I'm just turning right leg and trying to tuck your right feet at the back of your left calf muscle, or wherever one can reach and is comfortable. But the idea is to balance and being able to stand in this. And just come in Namaste. Breathe in. Few breaths here. You can always use a support of a chair or a wall if required initially. Few breaths into this, it can begin to rewire your nervous system, begins to ask for more strength from the body. Try not to hold for too long for the women specifically dealing with a lot of dizziness. Otherwise, just remind them to keep breathing within this and releasing. Remind deep breathing, trusting the body, surrender into the asana, give them support if needed, and make it a beautiful journey and a journey to a strengthened conscious birth. Thank you.